Hello, welcome back to my monthly 4G.com. This channel will provide you all information about your monthly 4G and and give you some guidelines about your phone, your smartphone. Today I will talk about the how to save data on the iPhones, because sometimes, let's say you have the T-Mobile plan. Let's say your plan is $50, $60 a month. You don't have unlimited high-speed data, so there is a way to save the data and spend less data, so you can manage it, and your phone is not gonna run slower. Because some people, when you have the plan, when they have the $60 plan, in 5 days, 6 days, they run out the data because they don't know how to use the data, how to spend it. It's just like when you have $100 in your pocket. When you have $100 in your pocket, there is a way to save the money. You have to spend it wisely. When it comes to data, you have to know how to spend your data wisely, and that's how it is. If you have an iPhone, it's easier to do. I'm gonna tell you how to do it. When you have iPhone, let's say I have a $60 T-Mobile or $60 AT&T or $60 Verizon. You have unlimited, you have limited high-speed data, so that's how you manage it. Even if you have Boost Mobile, you have to go to settings. When you go to settings, when you go to settings, you go to when you go to settings, you go to when you go to settings, you go to the apps. When you go to settings, right here, you go to cellular data. When you go to settings, you go to cellular data, and when you go to cellular, you click the cellular, you will scroll down. Don't touch the cellular data settings. You just scroll down, and you will see the use cellular data for. Let's say you have downloaded 15 or 20 apps. You can deactivate some apps. The apps that's really heavy. Let's say you have the FIFA 2015 game, like FIFA 15 games. You can just deactivate. You can just prevent this app to use your data. You can deactivate all the heavy apps. All the heavy apps, you can just deactivate them to use the data. So those apps that's really heavy or have more functionality or more features are usually draining or are usually needling more stuff your internet data. So you just go, you see here, you can just, let's say I have the FIFA 2015, for example. I can just deactivate it, turn it off. Okay, I can deactivate this. LinkedIn, you can just do it again. Any apps here, 2000 NBA 2K14 or 2K15, you can just deactivate it. Just turn it. It's green. Just turn it. When you turn it, it's gonna go dark. So when it go dark, that doesn't mean it's not using even 1 megabyte from your data. So those heavy apps, you can just deactivate it till you need it. If you need it, you can just go back to the settings and you go to cellular and then you turn it back on, so we can use the data. Because if you turn it off, when you try to open the apps is not going to give you any updates because it's already it's not using the data. So that's what you have to do to save the data on the iPhones. Okay, that's the best way to do it, because you know why? Let's say you have 20 apps. If I have 20 apps and all these apps is on, let's say even if you don't use the phone, the apps, the phone is still working. The apps is still is needling the data, but you don't know it. That's why when you have an app, and let's say I have Instagram and I'm not using Instagram, when somebody follow me, it's gonna give me a notification. That notification is gonna take a little bit of your internet, your data. So whatever activity on your phone that's related to the internet is gonna take some from your internet. So if you have 15 active apps, even if you don't use the phone, if each app take 10 megabyte, 10 megabyte times 15 is just gonna be like 150 gigabyte megabyte. You don't even realize that your phone is using. It's not only because you don't use the phone or you're using the phone is spend that. Even if your phone is off, no, even if you don't use your phone and you put it on the table, the phone is still spending, is needling your data, is taking off of your data. So if you see any heavy apps, that's really big app, you can tell how much data the app is. The heavier the app is, the more data it takes from your monthly data. So you can do that to save the uh, to save the uh, data from your phone. So if you have any question, don't worry. Just you can comment and under and ask any question. I will be answering your question. You can follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/mymonthly4g, or on Instagram, instagram.com/mymonthly4g. You can even share our videos, and we are here to help. And don't hesitate to contact us. Any suggestion or any comments, don't worry, don't hesitate. You can just do it. We're here to help each other. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.